Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2014 Tacoma that we're putting in a starter motor in. This car has over 150,000 miles, and it's looking pretty good. So let's get into it. First thing we do, we disconnect that negative lead. Now, we're going to take it up top. So we took the driver's side wheel out. We took, there's like a little cover right here, sitting right there on top of the wheel. So there's our starter motor. And it is a motor because it's electric. Boogie, oogie, oogie. So what I think I'm going to have to do here, I'm going to have to take this guy out here, this guy out here, massage the line just a little bit, just enough so I could fish out the starter. The reason why I say that is because there's not a lot of room to go down. Differential's right there. Steering shaft is right here. We got our manifold and cat there. And I just noticed this manifold's missing an entire freaking heat shield. Huh, that's interesting. I didn't notice that before. Huh. I wonder if the other side has a heat shield or if some work was done on this side at one point in its life. Very interesting. So yeah, we got an electrical connector, our main right here. Oh, the freaking cat's hot still. Damn it. Alright, whatever. What? We got our electrical connector here. We have a sense wire over there that we got to disconnect as well, or excuse me, a signal wire. And we have two bell housing like bolts that go through the bell housing this way that hold in the starter. So good thing we have the negative cable disconnected because this line right here will be live, but now it's just a tape recording. So let's continue. So here we are underneath in the belly of the beast, and we can see pretty good that we got the wire off. Oh, almost dropped my flashlight. Come on, stay there. So here's the power wire, here's our signal wire, here's a ground that goes to the engine that mounts to the block over there. I just removed that so I could get more room to maneuver the starter once it's out. We broke free this 14 millimeter here and this one up here. They go right to the starter. So now we're going to take those bolts out and see if we can get it out through here or out through where I think we can. Well, all right. With a little bit of fighting, I got it out. Come on. Oh yeah, we got it out. Very good. It wouldn't come out the bottom, so we had to get it out the side. Doing that with the brake line really gave me enough, just enough room to get it out. Because in a previous video, when I did that transmission, our torque converter bolts are there, and I just left the starter right here because I couldn't get it out. Giggity. But now we got it out. Now it's time to get the new one in. Here's our old one. Here's our brand new one. Oh, it came with a new nut. That's always good. It's always good to have a new nut on your starter. So let's get this guy in. Well, all right. We had to go in butt first and rotate, giggity, but we got it in place. So now I could reach up in here, maneuver, like, see what I can do with the starter there. And then with the other hand, when I put the camera down, I'm gonna install a bolt finger tight, install the other one, tighten them up, put our connections onto the starter, make sure we reinstall our ground, then connect the negative lead, and hope the new starter starts the vehicle. Yeah. All right, let's get up in there. All right, that's one. The other one I gotta reach a little, but we'll get it. Cat's not too hot anymore. There we go, yeah. Started that one. Let's get up in there. Move the camera out of the way.
When I was working here.
Come on, there we go. Alright, we don't want to get stuck in there. I'll give it the calibrated arm real quick. Let's see. One. Good. Let's get this one. Yeah, I gotta move the camera, guys. Quick tip, guys. Always check the connector in there on the sense wire. Check your ground and check your power to see if you have any corrosion. And if you find any corrosion, clean it. Put a little dab of dielectric grease and make your connections. All right, all our connections are made. Here, here, and here. Don't forget the cap that goes on it. Mine is right here on the floor. Let's put it in. Goes around the wire and just snaps into place like that. Very, very good. Very good. We got our brake line back in its original position. We got our cover back on. Now we got to put our wheel back on, connect the battery, and hope it starts. Oh, well, look what I found. Found a little bit of corrosion on the positive terminal there. You know what? Since we already got the battery disconnected, I'm going to clean the terminals up for them. Why not? I'm already here. Let's take this off. Good amount of corrosion there. There we go. Let's get this side. I'll clean that little bit off right there, right there. Connect that guy there. Yeah, whenever you're connecting a battery, guys, positive goes on first, then your negative. All right. Alright, we're all contacted, connected. I'll probably spray a little bit of protectant there. So, will it start?
Contact. You all should be.
How you do a starter, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. Let's not forget this stuff, guys. It's a corrosion inhibitor. Very good. Where's our cap? Where is it? Come on. Come on. There we go. Put that back on. Very good.